Hello students, today for our math video I'm just going to start with subitizing because that's what we always do first, and I will go to the PowerPoint next. Welcome back for our math lesson today. Alright, so go ahead and count how many you see, put them up on your fingers. Try and make a group of 5. How many do you see? 6. 5, 6. Very good. Put them up on your fingers before we shout it out, please. How many do you see? 3. Very good. Okay, let me see, make sure I'm not covering any. Count and put it on your fingers so I know when you're ready. How many do you see? 9. Let's count those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, class. Okay, another tin frame. How many do you see? When you know it, put it on your finger so I can see you're ready. See a couple people ready? Okay, I see how many? 7, 5, 6, 7. Very, very good. Oh, let's do one more. Put those numbers up on your finger, students. I see. How many do you see? 4, me too. Excellent. We will do some more tomorrow. You guys are very smart. All right, here we go. We just did subitizing. Check. Now we are going to do fluency. Like I said before, fluency is making sure we can write our numbers the best way we can, be ready for our next year of school. All right, so take a pause in the video. Go ahead and go to YouTube and watch our Pinkfong How to Write Numbers song. We watch this every day in class so that kids can get that repetition down of how to write numbers. Even if they're mastering writing numbers, that's great. We want to keep on with the repetition so that they don't forget, and also push them further. So if they want to go beyond 10, that's wonderful, and they can definitely do that. So pause the video, watch Pinkfong, and also go ahead and write your numbers in your notebook. Feel free to please put a picture of your number writing below or message it to me. I would love to see your number writing. Okay, now we are going to do number recognition. All right, let's go through this class and make sure you say the numbers loud and proud so I know you know what number is which. Okay, here we go. Ready? 10, 6, 3, 1, loud and proud, 2, everybody, 0, 4, very good, keep it up, 9, 5, 7, 20, 15, 18, 11, what's the last one? 8. Very, very good. You can pause the video now, do this again, make sure that you can do it fluently, and you can also practice writing these numbers and saying it aloud. So if you wanted to write 18, you could go ahead and do that on paper and say 18 out loud as you write the number. That will help as well. All right, let's go on to our 2D shapes. What shape is this? Oval. What shape is this? Hexagon. How about this one down here? Triangle. Very good. How about this one? It's a 2D flat shape, so it's a circle. How about this one? 4 sides that are not equal. Rectangle. How about this one? Diamond. And our last one, 4 sides that are equal. What is that shape? Square. Very good. Let's go ahead and do our solid shapes or 3D shapes now. Remember, this is not a circle. This is not a triangle. These are 3D shapes now. So remember, those have different names. Okay, what is this green one down here? What is it? A cube. Very good. This is a cube. Everybody say cube. Cube. What is this one right here? Looks like a tall cube, but it has a different name. It's a prism. Everybody say prism. Prism. Very, very good. What about this one right here? A cone. You guys know that one because it looks like an upside down ice cream cone. Very good. How about this one? Sphere. Everybody say sphere. Point to the sphere. Good. How about this one right here? That's a pyramid. Everybody say pyramid and point to the pyramid. Good. And the last but not least, this is our cylinder. Point to the cylinder. Say hi, cylinder. Hi, cylinder. All right, let's go ahead and do our review questions. This question says, what is 1 less than 13? So here's our number, 13. We know that number, 13. It's asking, what is 1 less than 13? If we take away 1 from 13, what are we going to get? Which means we need to make a number line. Let's go ahead and create a text box here. Okay, so if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, count with me, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, keep going, 12, count with me, 13, 14, 15. Okay, wow, we have a big number line. Here's all of our numbers, 1 through 15. Now it's asking us, what's 1 less than 13? This you seem silly. I didn't even have 13 on there. Okay, so find 13 up here. Point to 13. Point the number that matches this one. Find it and put your finger on it. Oh, there it is. Okay, now we need to find 1 less. If we went up, that's more. So we need to go down 1 to find 1 less. Go down 1 from 13. And what number do you see? 12. That means if we take away 1 from 13, that equals what? 12. Very, very good. Okay, so let's make sure we got it right. 12. Awesome. What you could also do to solve this problem is draw 13 circles or draw 13 bears like we did yesterday and cross out how many? 1, because they want 1 less. 1 less than that. So cross out 1 and get the answer of 12. Very, very good. Okay, our lesson today is being able to use objects and drawings to find how many are left. Okay, this is a little bit like what we did yesterday. Let's go ahead and read this story together so that we can know what we have to solve in the problem, okay? Tyler's the name of the guy. Tyler bought a cone. Uh-oh, I hear a shape. Do you see the cone on my screen? Where's our cone? There it is, just like in our shapes. Very good. Tyler bought a cone with, look, there's our new sight word. You see, W-I-T-H spells with. Tyler bought a cone with, what is this number? 4 scoops. So look at his ice cream cone. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 scoops. Can you imagine? I would be so full if I ate 4 scoops of ice cream. Okay, so he bought 4 scoops. Let's see what he did next. He ate 1 scoop. So he only ate 1. He ate that green one off. Cross out 1 scoop because he ate it. He ate it and now it's in his stomach. So let's get a shape and cross out that green. There we go. Okay, he already ate that green part. So it's no longer there. It's all up in his tummy. Cross out 1 scoop. So now, how many scoops were left? He had 4. Then we took away 1. We crossed it out. How many are left? Look at the picture and decide. How many scoops of ice cream does he have left? Count them. 1, 2, 3. I think 3. All right, let me go ahead and put our number 3 right here. Okay, so we have our answer of 3. Let's go ahead and do it on our fingers with the number sentence just to double check that we did it right. Okay, so the number sentence telling us to start with what number? 4. Okay, so we start with 4. And it's telling us to do what? Take away or add? Look at the number sentence right here. Take away. So we're going to take away how many? 1. So watch me take away 1. 1. So I have how many left? 3. Is that our answer? Very good. You guys are so smart. Okay, let's go ahead and do our next problem. Same thing. All right, let's read this one. It's not Tyler anymore. It's Eva this time. Eva ate ice cream too. So she also wanted ice cream. She ate how many scoops? What's that number right there? 2. She ate 2 scoops. How many scoops were left? So we know Ava ate more chocolate than our friend Tyler did. She ate how many scoops? 2. So I'm going to cross out her 2 scoops. She ate green, which is probably mint, and she ate chocolate. She had enough room in her stomach to eat both the green and the chocolate ice cream. But she didn't eat all of it. So there was some ice cream left. And it's our job to find out how much ice cream did she have left after she ate 2 scoops. Okay? So our number sentence down here tells us 4, take away 2. We started with 4 scoops. And we took away 2 because she ate 2. They were taken away off the scoop into her stomach. So we are going to find out how many are left. And to do that, I want you to count the ice creams that are left and not eaten down here. How many did she not eat? 1, 2. Good. So we think the answer is 2. I put that answer in our number sentence down here. Let's go ahead and double check and read that number sentence to make sure. 4 take away 2 equals 2. Let's go ahead and do that on our fingers to double check. So we start with 4. Then our number sentence tells us to add or take away. Take away how many? 2. So let's take away 2. Watch Miss Yusine. 1, 2. How many are left hanging up on my fingers? 2. Was that our right answer? Good. So she ate 2 and still had 2 left. Awesome. Let's go ahead and do one more problem. There were 4 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 of them broke. Uh-oh. So look at these bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And somebody must have dropped the bottle because they broke. So 3 of them broke. You can see these ones cracked, those 3. How many bottles were left? So how many bottles were left that were not broken after somebody dropped them? So it's our job to find out how many bottles are left. Okay? So we started with 4. We took away 3 because we can't use bottles that are broken, can we? So we took them away, crossed out all those bottles, and we have how many left? Look how many are not broken. How many? 1. Good. I see 1 bottle that's not broken. So I'm going to put that in our number sentence, and I'm going to stop right here. I want you to show your sister, your brother, your mom, your number sentence on your fingers. Start with 4. Take away 3 and show them how many you end up with to double check that we did that right. Awesome. Good job showing them. If you need to pause the video and do it again, that's totally okay as well. All right, going on from our lesson today, I would like you to use education.com, happynumbers.com to go online and continue your math lessons. And do a little bit more work with math on there. You can do number writing in your journal or on the whiteboard I gave you. You can work on number bonds. You can draw your own pictures and your own number sentences. So you could draw your own ice cream cone and tell a story and say, hey, I'm Miss Yusine and I had an ice cream that had 10 scoops on it. And then I was so hungry I ate 5 scoops. So my number sentence could look like 10 take away 5 equals 5. So you could draw your own story and put it in your notebook and show me that way, okay? That would help you with your math a lot. You can also make number bonds with that. Do your manipulatives. You could use your tiles that I gave you and make some red. Put 5 red out and say, I had 5 red tiles. And then turn them over to yellow and say, and then 2 turn to yellow. How many reds are left? And solve it that way. That's another way you can use your math skills with your manipulatives. And if you have the workbook, go ahead and do 1 or 2 worksheets from that as well. All right, folks, I will see you tomorrow, class. It has been so fun learning together today, and I will be back tomorrow.